Hi everyone, welcome to Legally Yours. I'm here again with the absolutely brilliant Perpetua Kish, also known as Peppy Kish from Balance Family Law. And in this episode, we're actually going to go into a little bit more detail in relation to exactly what the approach is that Balance Family Law takes with regards to family law matters, and how that all kind of works as a client perspective. So thank you so much for joining me, Peppy.
Thank you for having me, Karen.
Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so let's get into it. So I know we've previously talked about the fact that there are some sort of do-it-yourself models out there, and then there are your traditional kind of access to family lawyers where it's normally sort of a billable hours approach. Talk me through what you set up in Balance Family Law and how you're different in relation to that.
Okay, so one of the services that we offer are online legal solutions, or ways that parties can, or couples, individuals can come online and basically get started on documenting their agreement, whether that be application for consent orders, a child support agreement, a parenting plan, or even a will. So what we learned is that clients, you can say this is a do-it-yourself service and give them all the bells and whistles and instructions, and still it's confusing. It's confusing even for us. It took me such a long time to navigate some of those crazy forms and work out what exactly is the intention here. So I think with what we're offering through our Forward solution, which is the name of our online solution, is that bridge between giving the clients that flexibility to work through documents at their own pace, at their own convenience, and sort of dictating the terms as to how they want to do it, with us, who will come in and say, okay, well, we're here as much as you need us.
Yes.
And just to make sure that it's all done properly, we review everything, and we will let you know if there's any issues in the information that you've provided, so you can make a decision as to how to address those issues. And we do all the difficult stuff of filing it at court for you, making sure all the T's are crossed and the I's are dotted.
Which is fantastic, because I think as we sort of mentioned, there are some do-it-yourself, and you can go to the family court and you can download the documents. But like you say, it is quite complex, and the worst thing you can do, from a client's perspective, is they fill out the forms, they go to file them, and they get rejected, and then they're all confused, and then they're going to see a lawyer and they're back at point one, and it's really hard to navigate through. So I love the fact that you've sort of built this system that really is the balance between a kind of letting the client have that control to be able to fill out the documents, and they can also do it as a couple. If they're an amicable couple separating too, they can also get on there and do them together, can't they?
Encourage people, if they are amicable, to do it together, and we provide them with tips and aids and information sheets so that they can be best prepared for that. In the alternate, if they want to do it on their own, we give them a document to give to their partner, which is a really simple document that will just basically give them all the information they will need to complete the form.
And I love it, because you do refer to your services not as a DIY, but as a do-it-with-you service, which I think is incredibly wonderful. And I know, having spoken to Jono in the past, your business partner, that there are certain mechanisms that will flag in when potentially the client's answered a question that then well, hold on, we probably need to look a bit more at that and get some advice on that. And I love it. And everything's fixed fee and value. You actually fix the packages, don't you? So clients can come in, they know exactly what they're going to pay, they're sort of guided through the process. I absolutely think it's brilliant, with the ultimate result that you are creating greater accessibility to legal services, which is just wonderful, because you're making it easy for couples to essentially get through that process and then go on and live your lives. And I know you've got a wonderful slogan, or a wonderful thing that you talk about with Balanced Family Law. Share it with me. What's your sort of aim? Tell me that.
Okay, so at Balance, we work with you to create harmony during and after your divorce and separation, so you can move on and thrive. And while we help with online settlement agreements, we are also going to be rolling out some packages or some offerings that will consider people who want a little bit more of a bespoke touch or individualized plan moving forward. So we're really excited to be launching those probably around the end of financial year, if not before. So keep an eye out for them.
Fantastic. And also we need to make reference, because we are living in a predominantly virtual world at the moment, for however long we will be living in a virtual model. It's just wonderful that people can, you've created this service, pre-COVID, but what a wonderful thing for people to be able to access during these times as well. So they just need to head to the website and they can actually go onto that online portal, can't they, and look at that balance forward.
Purchase the agreements and get started straight away, or you can book a free comfort call with myself or a Zoom meeting. So, and if you're in Canberra, we also offer face-to-face meetings, but virtual meetings Australia-wide.
Absolutely. I love that comfort call. So wonderful. Absolutely love everything you guys do. Well, look, if you would like to, you can find actually Balance Family Law and Peppy Kish on our platform at legallyyours.com.au, or if you'd like to head direct, definitely go to balancefamilylaw.com.au and you can fill out the forms there. But Peppy, thank you so much. And thank you so much for creating such a wonderful and much needed service within the family law arena. And I just think, I'm incredibly excited to be talking about it. So thank you.
Oh, no, thank you, Karen.
Thank you.